All right, good morning, everyone. It is 5:53 a.m. here on the 22nd here in Oklahoma, and I listened to thunderstorms most of the morning, so pretty tired. But I figured I'd get up, do some looking around early for market close, and let's quick look and see what we got. Uh, so we'll look at after hours movers. Okay, we see Micron, Nvidia, AMD, Intel, Apple, Amazon. So all of our what's been the normal brew as of late. Earning reports listed a little bit today. None of these big companies we were talking about are on these earning reports listed today, so I'm not going to worry too much about those, but I'm going to keep an eye on it. U.S. economic calendar does not list anything, but Think or Swim does say that there is, I want to say, call this morning. No, there's a federal call this morning, so that'll be out around 7:30 Central Time is what I was told. So I'm going to look for that. But right now, MU probably has to be the biggest pre-market mover. We're seeing it kind of drop a little bit now. Uh, but see what happens this morning. Kind of wait until open for us to really start doing much. Possibly paper trading today if I see a good enough setup that I'm just like, hey, I'm going to do it. I got an account funded, so possible actual trading with real money. But I'm going to have to see a good reason. All right, guys. So 6:20 in the morning. We're still in pre-market. Seeing a lot of interesting moves with MU and AMD. Honestly, AMD's moving around quite a bit this morning. Yeah, we're going to keep an eye on both of these throughout the day. See how they go. Hopefully, well, I'm liking all the movement now, so we'll see what we can do. All right, folks. 7:55, getting close to the morning opening. I have FN, LNC, VST, and BE open on one monitor, and I am looking at everything going on there, keeping those kind of what I want to see right now. All right, guys, we're about 20 minutes from market open. NetApp, Western Digital, MU. Who else is on my big watch list today? NVIDIA and Bloom Energy, AMD. Those are all on my watch list. I guess negotiations are going well. NetApp is on my watch list just because of headlines. It's more of just curious to see what it does. Yeah, we're going to go from there. So, big difference today. See how it says paper trade first. Right there. Today, we're moving to real money. Let's tune in. Let's see what happens today. Maybe we'll money. Maybe we'll lose some money. Here's hoping for. All right. So, first official trading day, using cash, using real money. Absolutely awful. Uh, Definitely hit my limit on how much I could lose in one day, and I pulled away. I did end up pulling away, still pretty early in the morning. But yeah, that did not go well. Of course, if you were in the market this morning, you probably noticed. But I mean, there were a few winners, just wasn't for me. Right? So yeah, let's go take a look on what those are. All right, we'll start here. Obviously, not a good day, right? It is what it is, but this has been dropping like a rock. If we look at Micron, this is the first place. I lost a big amount of money today. So I let a couple tickers come in. Most of the way through the second ticker at 8:38 is when I was like, okay, first ticker finished high. Second ticker is going the same way. I'm buying in now to get the most out of it. I didn't wait for the full confirmation. Then it bottomed out and I lost a shitload. I hit my stop loss. My stop losses were a lot bigger than they should have been. One time I actually made room, and yeah, man, it kind of bit me in the ass. So that was awful. Western Digital essentially did the same thing to me. So here's the problem. Western Digital, Micron, I'm basically in the same department there, right? I'm basically looking at the same industry. I should not have invested in both of these. Like I said, these weren't the only things. Intel was there today. Intel was really back and forth. I ended up getting a few dollars off Intel here and there. I'll end up giving you the whole report or a more idea of the whole report, but Micron and Western Digital just absolutely kicked me in the teeth today. Uh, it is what it is, right? There's a reason they say this is difficult. So day one, uh, yeah, reassess everything and go from there. All right, folks. So let's wrap. Let's go over shakedown. What did I learn today? Be more patient. My entries were horrible, and that had me scraping to make halfway decent exits. Honestly, my first couple trades of the day, I was trading the bigger stuff, the uh, Western Digital, the Micron, and honestly, I think my biggest issue was I did not have my gap set well enough, and I messed up. So I need to slow down, pay more attention to what I'm doing. Overall, today I had a 34.6% win rate. It's not good. Lost almost $900 today out of my bankroll. Uh, not good. And yeah, but I'm going to take this as learning example. I can't expect to walk into this. I've never been to school for trading or stocks or any of this stuff. I can't expect to walk in and make a profit on my first day. Hopefully I can on my second day. I don't know. They say this stuff's pretty hard, but we're gonna see what happens tomorrow. I'm gonna get this video pushed out there and kind of take a day from anything else and kind of relax and unload, then get ready for tomorrow. Because really, this weekend I put way too much time and energy into it. So yeah, we're gonna have a better day tomorrow. We're gonna get some rest. I'm gonna go play some Magic tonight, and yeah, we will be back at it tomorrow.